In just 5 minutes, DryBath allows anyone to clean their skin and remove full body odor anytime. We've created an internal product review that shows how the DryBath Gel cleans 4 different types of dirt on your skin. The stains we made were pen ink, indelible or permanent ink, mud, and sand dust. First, apply the gel onto your skin and rub it in. The gel in the bottles and sachets are identical and they work the same way. If you have visible dirt or debris on your skin, then we've provided you with a wipe to be able to clean it. Soaking the wipe tablet in just 4 spoonfuls of water will give you a 100% cotton, non-flushable wipe. After using the wipe, you can throw it in the bin or bury it in the ground. This is because the wipe biodegrades in 30 days, just don't flush it.
So they say 1 sachet is enough to clean my whole body.
DryBath has no alcohol, but its unique formula has the ability to remove tough stains like permanent ink within 5 minutes. Even soap and water cannot match that speed of cleaning power. So the next time you find yourself with no time, privacy or water, then make sure you have some DryBath with you.
So if it works for that, it should work for...
Your days of overwashed skin and endless lotions are over.
Yo, I'd rather have 5-minute dry days than bucket baths or showers.
My name is Lurik Marishane, the founder of Head Boy Industries. I've had many goals over my life, but the one that has really defined who I am in my professional journey has been the way to provide hygiene to 2 billion people around the world who can't bath. I grew up in this little town called Mutatema. Growing up in a community like this, water has always been a problem. Even though everyone would laugh at me when I told them I was trying to figure out a way for people to bathe without water, I felt like I'd found a really great solution. Besides the fact that I had to type my 40-page business plan on my cell phone because I didn't have a laptop, the toughest mountain for us to climb with the DryBath product was actually bringing it to life. We didn't have the money to make the prototype. We had to take a whole 4 years at university to raise over R1 million in funding, winning every single business plan competition we could get our hands on. And after that, we had developed the world's best waterless hygiene solution.